Today at Cloud3DPrint, we will be printing and assembling a homemade Radiation 4 Beat Boy ARM computer. We use our software Cloud3DPrint to create a project named ARM Computer. Upload all the parts to the project and put the parts into the hotbed. Choose slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. There are all the models you will need to print. Start by assembling these two pieces together using adhesive material. Then screw in these small tabs and build in this door using M3 bolts. Add in these bolts with adjustment wheels. Next, add adhesive in the area and stick this block into it. Then add the adjustment wheel on the other side with a bolt going through. Here are the areas which you should be putting the bolts through in order to put together 1, 2, and 3. Next, we can put on this black tab. Continue to assemble the structure as I am in this video. Remember to add adhesive to wherever parts need to be stuck together. Add short bits of PLA to the center here and stick the 3 parts together, then add it to this half. Take this red and black assembly and add it on. Now take the 2 large assemblies and put them together, but putting in 3 bolts in the areas. I'm going to get a piece of wire, a part of a mouse wire will do, and place it in this area. What I'm doing here is I am adding stickers and decor to the computer. Adjust the screen size so you can use it comfortably in the open space you have it. Finally, place the mobile in the back and lock it in, and we are making it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe Cloud3D Print to see the latest videos.